New day, new build. Today I'm making Toyota Hycross because I've got many comments for this one. I added a platform between these two panels, and these are for that iconic shape. It's getting shaped from the front. Let's make the dashboard. And the seats. Now watch this. This is how I make wheels. It's very simple. Use the toothpick here and just put the toothpick into the wheels. Push them a bit inside as per your car's size. And repeat the process. Your wheels are ready to roll. See, those fits perfectly on the car. Painted the seat in brown paint. Adding details on the dashboard. Now it's time to fit the roof. Taping for the paint. Used white spray paint for this one. Making the headlights and taillights. Adding these beautiful wheel caps. Adding taillights. This rear guard just to give it more aesthetic feel. That's all. See you in the next one. Enjoy the cinematics.